when you're bored indoors or relax outdoors. It can add fun to your life. It's small in size, can be carried easily. The small shape equipped with foldable design make it more portable. The aircraft can take off instantly, easy for you to control. The small body can shuttle between the obstacles. The 3-gear speed can be adjusted by you. It also is a function of high pressure. The stability is unparalleled. When you can't tell the direction of the aircraft, a headless mode can be enabled. Lets you control it freely. It can also roll over 360 degrees. The modular battery design makes it more convenient to replace the battery. In addition, the camera of the aircraft can also be adjusted manually. This high-definition camera can help you record the wonderful moments in life. It can be connected through the mobile app to achieve ground transmission in real time, let you know the state of the aircraft. The aircraft can be controlled by a remote control. It can also be connected and manipulated by the mobile app. The aircraft is also equipped with a protective ring. It's safer to fly indoors. Take the small, portable, and fully functional aircraft to enjoy the life together.